After some trial and error, I decided to change some of the AI settings. First, let me rebake the area with a decreased radius. Same with the agents. 0.19 for the radius, 0.5 for the height. Step height will be half of that. And rebake. And then if I look at the pathfinding agent, there was a mistake there. You want to turn off obstacle avoidance. You don't want pathfinding agents blocking each other. And let me also decrease speed, just so that I can see it a little better. Maybe 0.1 for stopping distance. And one last thing, I'm going to go to restart AI, because I want the restart distance to be shorter. Here, I'll decrease it all the way down to 0.5. So the AI is going to get restarted until it gets really close to the player. I'm going to go back and add Ybot blue. And things should be more or less the same. I just like these numbers a little better. Okay. And looks like the AI is working fine. So does everything else.